Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the Heart Disease Predictor using Python. So let's open terminal and write python space app.py. So whenever we run the project, then it will give the one URL. So we have to copy that URL and paste in any browser. So just copy that URL and open the Google Chrome and paste here and press enter. So it will open the web page. User have to enter the age, resting blood pressure, serum cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, maximum heart rate, ST depression, sex, chest pain type ATA, chest pain type NAP, chest pain type TA. Okay, so we have to select from that particular options. Resting ECG normal, resting ECG ST, exercise angina Y, ST slope flat, ST slope up. So we have to select yes or no. After that we have to click on the predict button. So it will predict like, oops, you have chances of heart disease. This project developed using Python programming language and machine learning model used to train the model, and Django web framework used to develop the graphical user interface. This is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.